I take the stairs.
Really?
Yeah. It's in the first floor.
Yeah, wait.
Then I'm going to take the stairs.
No need, no need.
And
They're coming out?
Scoochie.
Good morning. Morning. That is a pool. Later we'll go there. Later. Yeah. Later we'll go there. Like this. And like that. Yes. Correct. Good. Good. That's good. How you like the honey?
Coffee, sir.
Coffee? No, we don't drink coffee. Try the juice. You just try it. Maybe you like it.
What do we do this?
Sure. Like that. Yes, correct.
Alright.
Yeah, you need to put the card over here. Correct. Now you got the electricity. Otherwise, you won't get the electricity. Okay?
I'm ready to get.
You ready? Don't run.
Morning, sir.
Morning. That's a swimming pool. Lemon is too deep.
Oh my god!
Too deep.
see deep again.
You good?
Now see deep.
Steven want to see the deep. Let's go, huh?
Yeah.
You like it?
God, much there.
You cannot see the pizza? Let's see. Where is it?
Set. We ordered the pizza and go back.
Yeah. There in the corner. Come here. There's the pizza place. The first one. You want the cheese pizza?
Yeah. Because 255.
Okay. Okay. You want that? What do you want? Sure, no problem. No problem, doctor. Okay. He wants brownie fudge cream cheese. Stephen, sorry, it is not available. What do you want? No, I don't like it. You try. How you like it? You like it? It's very chocolate.
I'm gonna go back here.
Huh?
I'm gonna go back here.
Go back here. You like that much? We came back for more waffles. You're back, Stephen?
Where's the chocolate?
Not chocolate. You said blueberry. Try it. Try it. Try it.
I want chocolate blueberry.
Really? Try it. If you don't like it, I will buy another one. You want chocolate blueberry?
I don't like that. I don't like a lemon sweet.
We are going for the breakfast. After that, we are going to swimming. Stephen.
Which Stokes Twins character's voice is the most beautiful? Everyone is.
Morning. Yeah, that is a steak. So how is it? You like it? You like the pancake? That's all right. How are you, Stephen?
Scallywag.
That is the one. Yeah. You like it? Which one you want?
What?
That's a brownie. Which one you want? Tell me, I will take it for you. What do you want to try?
What?
You try, go. Tastes like what?
It's like coffee.
Tastes like coffee?
Yeah.
Okay.
Taste the soup. Taste the drink.
An omelette.
Omelette.
Yeah, scrambled egg for rain.
Scrambled egg.
Yeah. You like it?
Yippee!
I think you love it.
Yippee!
How is that?
Yeah.
Oh, slowly, slowly, not like that. No. Not Stephen. We are checking out. Stephen, how do you feel? You like the hotel? You'll come back again?
Hell yeah.
Okay.
You know, I like this, but I almost drowned.
Every hotel you say you almost drown.
Because what's my feet?
You only 3.5 feet.
My God. Hiya!